Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Celer network. The price line of Celer found a very nice uptrend line support on the daily time frame, and it was moving very well above this support. And I also showed you this support in my previous videos as well. And this was my last video when I told you that Celer network is testing critical support zones. And if we take a look at the live daily time frame chart, right now the price line has broken down this support, and in today's video we will try to analyze whether the price line will continue this move to the downside, or it will be moved up and break out this resistance that was previously working as a support, and it will be moved above this support again. And before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's move to the chart, and right now we can see that the price line found this support here and on 8th of September, and it was moving very well, and whenever it was moving at this support it was having nice bounces. But right now, after some accumulation above this support, the price line moved down. But we also have another additional support, and that is this red line, that is the exponential moving average 21 on the daily time frame. So there is still possibility that the price line will use this exponential moving average as a support, and it will be recovered back above the support, the uptrend line support. And we can see that previously this EMA 21 has been breaking as a very nice support when the price line broke out this exponential moving average 21 here on 26th of July. Since then the price line was moving above this exponential moving average 21, and after a certain time period during the corrections, the price action had been using this EMA 21 as a nice support. Right now it is again using this exponential moving average as a support. And if we take a look at the different support and resistance levels, then on the daily time frame, this is our final resistance at 19.2 cents. Then we have the next resistance at 15.5, and this is very nice support at 14 cents. Right now the price line is getting accumulated above this support. Sometimes it is being traded below this support, and sometimes it is being traded above this support. So far this 14 cent support level is not broken down. If it will be broken down, then we can move down to the next support at 12.5. And on the 4-hourly time frame, price line has formed this symmetrical triangle. We have a valid resistance, and we also have valid support as well. Right now we can see that the price line is testing the resistance more than support, therefore there is a possibility for the breakout. However, if we will have a breakdown, in that situation the price line can test the next support level at 12.5, even though the target is 11 cents, but I'm expecting the price line can test the previous support of 12.5. That is a very strong support, and it will be very difficult for the price line to break it down. And if we take a look at the breakout targets, then our next target can be 17 cents. In that situation the price line can even break out the next resistance of 15.5, and maybe it will make another attempt to break out this 19.2 cents resistance level. So next few hours are really very important. We can see that this triangle is getting squeezed, and the price line is reached at the end of this triangle. So within next few hours we can have a breakdown or breakout. I am expecting that we can have a breakout because we have more touches. We are testing more the resistance than the support. Therefore there is a possibility that the price line will break out this triangle. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.